Breath is about to make the next major move to the upside. So if you've not bought, I'm going to show you the exact point that you should start buying right now before that major move is going to happen next in this very market. And also Ton, I believe, is going to replace XRP or USDC in this very bull run in market capitalization. So let's dive right into the details. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Breath is going to pump to the upside aggressively in the next move. If you look at what it did in the past from this very area, the market pump all the way upward, and right now is coming back down, which is a good opportunity to start buying again if you did not bought for the next move to the upside. Like I told you in one of my videos, Breath is one of the token or meme coin out there that have a very little supply, unlike we have Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, which is the father of all meme coin, and also Pepe. We have just 10 billion total supply, as you can see right here on CoinMarketCap, and right now about 9.9 billion is already in circulation in the hand of traders. So this is very, very key for the price of Breath to move to the upside. So I believe this is one of the best hold. If you've not bought, you can buy right now into your portfolio. So the next move is going to come into the market on Breath. I am looking at something very important right here on this chart. If you take the Fibonacci retracement 2 and you draw from this very point where this move started all the way to the upside, from here to this very point where we see this high at 0.1946, market is retracing right now, which is a right time to start buying before that very move is going to come into the market. Now on the immediate short term, I believe that this market is going to still move a little bit to the downside into this very area of 0.111. okay, that is the 0.50% retracement level on the Fibonacci before we will see that very move begin to move to the upside. So what you do right now is to wait a little bit for a little drop in price, and then you start buying. So you can dollar cost average when you are buying. What that means is, let's say for example you have $500 or you have $1,000, as the case may be. You can buy 25% as the market drop into this very price level of 0.111, and then if market drop back down again, you can buy another 25%. If it drop into this very price level of 0.0925, you can buy the remaining 25%. okay, now what that will do is that as the market begin to move upward, which it will definitely do, because I believe that market is not going to go below this very price level of 0.076, okay, in Breath price, because this is already 0.786 on the Fibonacci retracement 2. So I am now looking at market dropping a little bit downside. So once you dollar cost average and buy within this very range right at this very point, it means that once the market begin to move to the upside and cross this very level, you should be in 30% or more profit as the market begin to move to the upside before that very major move is going to come into the market, just like we see right here. Market is retracing right now, which means the next pump is going to be very, very aggressive on this very market price right now. So as you can see right here, market move parabolically all the way upward, and this is one of the first major move that this coin is making. And what it means is that after this retracement, market is going to move aggressively to the upside again, and owing to the fact that we have just 10 billion of this very token total supply, and market is already having 9.9 billion in circulation, this token is going to move aggressively to the upside. So you can hold this in your portfolio for this next wave of market pump that's going to happen very, very soon in the market. So this is very important right now for all breath holders. And if you want to buy, start buying from this very area of 0.111, like I said, and this very price level of 0.007. Okay, this very area. And if you look at Ton is making a lot of wave right now in the market. The blockchain is attracting a lot of new user and developer. So I believe that this Ton is going to take this space from XRP or USDC in the heat of the bull market. Right now, we have a market capitalization of $17 billion. And if you look at XRP, $27 billion. As at January last year, Ton was not at this very point, and all of a sudden it has attracted so many attention in the crypto space, and right now it's occupying number 8 in this very position. So since it is an emanating space and it's a new blockchain in this very space, it means that it's going to do very, very well, just like we saw in the case of Solana. Okay, so Ton, I believe, is the next Solana in this very bull market. And if you look at the price of Ton, you discover the market move all the way from this very point to the upside, and right now retracement is coming to the market, which is very, very normal. I want to see the market keep coming down for retracement on Ton, because Ton was one of those tokens that was pumping even when Bitcoin and other altcoins were coming back to the downside. So we see that very pump right here, and right now market is coming back down. I believe market should come back into this very area maximum before the next move again to the upside. So what you need to pay attention to right now on Ton is this very area of resistance right at this point, which is support at this very area. So market should come back into this very point, and we should see the market begin to move from here to the upside. So this is my last point I am expecting the market to get into before the next move to the upside on Ton. Now the possibility of market breaking from here back to the downside is there, but that is not what I'm expecting. Ton is getting more attraction right now. So any retracement we should see in the market should just be a mini retracement before the next move to the upside. We can also verify that from what has happened on this very chart. If you look at it, market move all the way from here to the upside, and then we have retracement. We have this second move, and then this little retracement before this very move. I believe market should retrace up to this very point before the next move to the upside again on Ton. This is very important, guys, and I believe this coin is going to take the place of XRP and USDC in this very bull market. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.